Привет! Как дела? The new year has already passed, but the holidays in Russia are still continuing. And today we will talk about a holiday with rather weird name. Старый Новый год. The Old New Year. We celebrate this holiday on 14th of January, and we celebrate the New Year twice because of the Gregorian and Julian calendars. On this day, on 14th of January, we say the final goodbye to the past year and greet the new year. The old New Year's Eve is called Vasilyev вечер. You should make a wish on this evening and celebrate it as fun and joyful as possible, because it is believed that this evening predeterminates the whole year. Vasilyev вечер is considered a rampart of evil spirits. That's why girls often fortune telling on this evening. It is believed that exactly on this evening you can find out what you're really destined for. After sunset and till midnight, young people walk outside and sing different songs. We call this action щедровать, because the songs are called щедрівки. These songs drive away evil spirits and give people happiness, love, health, wealth, and so on. One of the main traditions of this holiday is sowing on the morning of January 14th. It is called посевание. Boys, young men go to their families, friends, neighbors, and throw grain to the entrance of the houses. While doing this, they usually read poems or sing different songs. The lyrics are wishes for health, welfare, bless, something good, and all the best. And the owners of the houses, they usually give sweets, pies, cakes, or something else sweet to these guys. It is believed that only men can do this action, because man is supposed to be the first visitor on January 14th. It is believed that this will bring happiness and joy to the owners of the house.
Щоб на майбутній рік було більш торік, щоб доволі і на полі, і в коморі.
What do you think about these traditions? Have you ever heard about them? Which tradition do you like the most? And which tradition is the weirdest one, on your opinion? I hope you liked this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Wish you all the best. Thank you for watching it. Спасибо. Благодарю. And don't forget to subscribe our channel and put like. Пока. Пока-пока.